Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto lemon pound cake with a lemon glaze. Okay, we're going to get started with this lemon pound cake, this keto lemon pound cake. I've got 2.5 cups of almond flour in a large mixing bowl, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure there's no clumps. A 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. A 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sweetener, a sugar-free sweetener. And that's our dry. I'm going to go ahead and just mix that up. Okay, now I'm going to add 3 large eggs that we've already beaten. 7 ounces of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. A lot of times I get asked if you can use sour cream instead of the Greek yogurt, but I don't know if you realize that sour cream actually has the same amount of carbs as plain Greek yogurt, but it's got way more calories. So just FYI. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and the zest of 1 lemon. I also get asked a lot if you can use coconut flour instead of almond flour, especially for those people who are allergic to almonds. And you can. So instead of the almond flour, you would use 1 cup of coconut flour, and then you might need to add an extra egg, just depending on if your batter, you want your batter to still be nice and pourable like this. And if it's really thick, you're going to want to add another egg. Okay, now I've got a loaf pan, just a standard loaf pan that we've sprayed with cooking spray. And I'm going to pour the batter in there. And now this is going to bake in a 300-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, our lemon pound cake is out of the oven. I let it cool slightly, and then I removed it from the loaf pan. I flipped it upside down just because this is a keto bread, and keto breads really don't rise that well. So I like this side. It just looks a little bit nicer. So I'm going to cut it into 8 slices because this recipe makes 8 servings. And then you can kind of lay it out. My plate's not big enough, but anyway, you get the idea. And then we've got a glaze that we're going to make, and I want that glaze to really like go into the crevices. So our glaze consists of 2/3 cup of powdered sweetener. This is sugar-free sweetener, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and we're going to get that all mixed in. Originally, this recipe also had a lemon simple syrup, but I just honestly thought it wasn't necessary, so I removed it. It just added more work for not a lot of necessity. So there's our glaze. And now we're just going to pour it over the top. Just like a lemon loaf from my favorite, or from y'all's favorite coffee place, iced lemon loaf. Now, how amazing does that look? Look at that deliciousness. This cake is super moist, super lemony. So good. Be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.